guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. I have the 20 BFD on the dyno, and we're putting 85 on it. So we have a couple people that are local to us that, you know, they have a rotary car that they think can beat us, but you know, we're gonna show them tomorrow that they can't. There's a couple things that we did to the car. Obviously, I mean, same engine, same port, same everything, but we did radium rails, and instead of having 850s 2200s, now we have 6 2200s all around. So on top of that, we got the regulator hooked up. I still got to wire the flex fuel, and we have nitrous in the perch, but we're not gonna use this yet. So we're gonna tune it for 6 to 800, and then we'll go nitrous after. Gil's over here getting the E85 in, and we're just gonna do a full E85 tune. It's either gonna break or go really fast.
Hopefully really fast.
Let's do this. But it's spinning on the dyno, so we're gonna try to get Gil and Jesus sitting on the back of the car. had a little ignition breakup, and it ended up being the spark plug wire burnt through. Pretty much we were running on 2 rotors through all those runs, given that, you know, all the spark was, we were losing it there. So Gil's gonna fix that. This is where we were having the ignition breakup right there, and we were around 636 horsepower with a pretty nice torque curve also. Sometimes you'll hear an ignition breakup, and I was trying to clean it up, you know, cleaning up the air fuel ratio, like leaning it out a little bit, which worked all the way to 640. But I'm interested to see how much gains we have just by fixing the spark plug wire. Holy shit, it just spun its ass off. That coil worked. We're running into a problem where it's just spinning its ass off. So right now the highest we can record is 667, and I even try to quarter throttle it and then get on it. But as soon as it gets to like 6,500, it's just spinning its ass off. I'm revving, the computer's seeing 8 all the way down here, but the dyno's not seeing it because it's spinning. So we have it calibrated, RPM calibrated by speed. So you can see right here that it's pretty bad, and you can hear it. We tightened the crap out of the straps. We're gonna let some air out of the tires. See if that gets some traction. The crazy part is this is without the nitrous. You know, we don't even have the bottle in it yet. That's, I promise, 30 pounds. All right, so we just hit 714 right there at only 21 pounds. Thanks to these 2 guys on the back over here. So, you know, we came here to party, so we're gonna race it up. We went from 21 to 25, and again, we can't get traction. We got 714, I think it was, at 21 pounds. We turned it up to 25, but it's just spinning its ass off. It starts spinning at 5,300, and we're revving it to 8 grand. So I don't think these tires, these are the dyno tires or the street tires, they're not cutting it. So we're gonna have to put the slicks and go to the track, and you know, numbers are number, and let's see how fast it is.